A coffee capsule filling machine fills, seals and packages coffee capsules for manufacturers, ensuring stable quality and large-scale output. It doses coffee, seals capsules with lids, and some use nitrogen flushing to preserve freshness. Let me see K-cup filling machine key part name. Capsule cup body feeding. Material feeding. Feeding. Membrane suction. Film sealing. Finished coffee capsule outlet. Let me see the K-cup filling machine working principle. Step 1. Capsule feeding and sorting. The first step is to load empty capsules pods into the machine. A sorting and feeding system makes sure that capsules enter the line in the correct orientation and spacing. The sensors detect whether the capsule is present before moving to the next station, so the machine avoids errors or jams. Step 2. Coffee powder dosing and filling. Next, the machine accurately fills each capsule with coffee powder. This is typically done using an auger filler or servo-controlled dosing system that measures the exact amount of coffee for consistent weight and quality. The dosing system may also include mixing mechanisms to prevent clumps. Step 3. Sealing the capsule. After filling, the capsules move to the coffee sealing machine, where the lid is sealed onto the capsule body. Sealing can be done via heat sealing or ultrasonic sealing, depending on the materials being used. Without this step, the coffee capsules would not be airtight. Many machines inject inert gas, often nitrogen, into the capsule before sealing to displace oxygen and preserve freshness. This is common in higher-end production lines and helps extend shelf life by protecting aroma and flavor. Step 4. Output and collection. In the end, the coffee capsules are collected or conveyed to the next part of the line. It includes cartoning, boxing, and bagging machines for final packaging. This makes the process ready for storage, distribution, or retail. Applied coffee capsule types. Dolce Gusto Cup, Keurig K-Cup, Keurig 2.0 Cup, Lavazza Espresso K-Cups, Nespresso Lungo Forte, Nespresso Original Cups, etc. If you are interested in our coffee capsule filling machine, please contact us and we will develop a customized filling solution for you.